4th, 2019. This is Ralph's Trucking and More. Check me on Facebook and Twitter, Ralph's Trucking and More. Check below, see if you are subscribed to me. If not, ring that bell. Like this video, share this video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you Livongo Blood Glucose metering system. I have type 2 diabetes. I take medication and I take a daily non-insulin shot. It's one step up from Victoza that helps type 2 diabetes. I will be going to the doctor here shortly and get my A1C for this quarter. It's been 6 months since I've had it done. It was 5.8. But in this meter, it tracks it daily, if I want to, my blood glucose. So watch this video, check it out. Diabetes kills. It killed my mother at 58 years old. She did not take care of herself. I'm 46. I want to live a lot longer than my mother did. My father is 73. He's still alive. So check this video out below. Comment, rate, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Check me on Facebook and Twitter, Ralph's Trucking and More. Thank you. You have a great Monday. See you later.
Good morning. Thank you. The other day I got a letter from this company here, Livonia. Good day. I got a letter from this company about a week ago that they will send me testing supplies since I'm type 2 diabetic. I haven't been testing my daily sugars, but this company here told me they'll pay for all the supplies and mail it to the house. And this is my first box. As you can see, box ain't that big. So let's open it up and see what it is. All right, here's inside the box. As many of you don't know, my mom was diabetic. She did not take care of herself. My mom died at 58 years old back in 2003. Here's what the kit contains of. This is an unboxing. Like I said, I have very good insurance. And this company is doing this and not going to charge me a dime. They're charging the insurance company so I can take care of my blood sugars. So let me open up this box and see what's in it. This box was tape open. I had to cut it open. Of course, people like tape. So let's open up this box. All right, here's the meter. Carrying case underneath, charging cord, lace-its. Pretty nice laid out case. The meter itself is not that big. About a size of a pack of cigarettes, maybe a little, of course, thinner. So let me charge this up. And there's the carrying case for it. Let's open up the carrying case. All total, I have the meter itself. I guess it connects to the Wi-Fi and I have my app. I got 4 25 sterile lancets. I got the popper. I have the charging cords. I have 350 strips and one thing of cleaning solution. I gotta read the instructions, see how this works. But first, I have to charge this up. Now today is March 4th, 2019. I'm going to my doctor this afternoon since I missed my appointment last week going to see the nurse practitioners, and get my A1C done. Last time I had my A1C done was September, and it was 5.8. I'm on medication, and I'm on a daily shot. No, the shot is not insulin. This is what I take for my morning shot. This is the double dose of Victoza. Comes in a pen. You just put a needle on it, and it gives you almost a week's worth of product. This has kept my sugars down big time. But like I said, this afternoon, I'm going to get my A1C. So I'll put it in this video also. So we're going to see what my A1C is. Like I said, my mom had started off with type 2 diabetes. She did not take care of herself. Then I went to type 1 diabetes, where she was throwing blood clots and everything else. Almost went legally blind from it. I sat there and watched her have laser surgery in her eye to stop the bleeding in her eyes. But she died at 58 in 2003 at Winston-Salem's Baptist Hospital. I still to this day hate that hospital when I drive by it. But yeah, I have to take care of myself. I have to lose all this, and I have to lose all that. So I need to get on a diet. I was wanting to go on to get the surgery, but I really don't want surgery. So I gotta kick my butt and lose some weight. You all have a great day. I'll continue this video when I come back from the doctor with my A1C reading. I thank you. I'll be back. All right, just called Livongo for some reason. My meter does not go with the app. I guess they have 2 accounts. They're trying to send me another one. I don't need another kit. I just need one. So I called them. They answered the phone right away, and they're working on it. So hopefully later today, it would be fixed. So I can just, when I do my blood sugars, I can check. I'm going to talk to the doctor and see what she suggests once or twice a day. But here's what this little kit count came in. I appreciate everyone for checking it out.